and maybe something will come. Come on! Oh, no way, look! A fidget spinner appeared! Hi guys! Look at all of these Orbeez! I don't even know where they came from! Look, the gel cell is just full of Orbeez! And I don't even know where all the Paw Patrol are! Ha 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 ha! I put your Paw Patrol in jail again, but you don't even know which ones are in there! 'Cause I filled it with Orbeez! I love Orbeez! Good luck finding which Paw Patrol are in there and getting them out! Bye! Oh no, not again! That silly shark loves to put our Paw Patrol in jail. Well, all of our Paw Patrol are in there. I think we're gonna have to find some fidget spinners to get them out. Fidget spinners will work. Okay, first of all, let's see. Let's grab some pink. Let's grab some pink Orbeez. There's a pink one. Here's another pink one. Let's just grab some pink ones and put right here. That one's purple. There's another pink one. Let's get a few more. Pink Orbeez. Okay, boom. Look at all of those Orbeez. Okay, we're just gonna close our eyes and wish really hard, and maybe something will come. Come on! Oh, no way, look! A fidget spinner appeared! And look, it's a Sky fidget spinner. That means Sky's probably in there, huh? Let's spin it and see what we can do. Let's try opening up this door. Let's see what's gonna happen. Oh, look at all the Orbeez fly away with the fidget spinner. Whoa. Okay, let's open the door. Here we go. Ugh. Oh, it doesn't want to. Oh no! Whoa! Look at the funny Paw Patrol in there. Oh my gosh, and look at all those Orbeez that came out. And look. Woo! Sky was able to come out. Boop. But oh no, look what's happening! Someone shut the door! It must be a magical gel cell. And you can only get certain pups out with fidget spinners. Look, it's all filled with Orbeez again. But we did get Sky out. Good job, Sky. Let's spin this again. All right, let's do that again, but try to find a different fidget spinner. This time, let's use blue Orbeez. So I think I might have saw Chase in there. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen with all those blue Orbeez. Yes, look! We got a Chase fidget spinner. Thank goodness. Let's try hitting the door again and see if we can get it to open. Okay, now let's see if we can open it. And so we can take Chase out. gosh, so many Orbeez! Can we get Chase out? We can get Chase out! Woohoo, look! We got Chase! Thank goodness. Look, we can't get Rubble out all the way. Jeez, who keeps closing the door? Looks like it's filled with Orbeez again. Let's try finding the last fidget spinner for Rubble. So we need all of our yellow Orbeez. Some of these are kind of funny looking. Okay, let's try all those yellow Orbeez. Woohoo! Yay! We got a Rubble fidget spinner! Let's hit the door with this one. Now I think we'll be able to get Rubble out. Alright, let's open the door for Rubble. Look at all those Orbeez that come out. It's so funny. And let's see if Rubble can come. Oh, yes! Look, we got Rubble out! Woohoo! Let's spin all of their fidget spinners and drop Orbeez on them. Whoa! Well, look. We got all of our 3 Paw Patrol out of the funny Orbeez jail cell. Look at all of those. And with their fun fidget spinners. Okay then, say bye to Paw Patrol. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, this is a big one. Look, you can see him coming out. Oh, hi everyone. It's me, Chase. I've just been swimming in the ocean today. And look at who I found. Hi everyone, it's me, an alligator. What color is this alligator, Chase? He's green. Where'd you find him? I found him over this wall. I think we should try to find some more too. Because look, there's letters, so there must be more. You're right, Chase. Let's go ahead and try to find some more alligators. I brought my nifty fishing pole. So let's go ahead and throw it over the wall. And look, we're gonna stick them just like that. Okay, let's get ready for let's get ready for an alligator. Oh, this is a big one. Look, you can see him coming out. Come on, little buddy. Oh, whew, look at that guy. Ooh, this one's an orange alligator. And it has the letter I and the letter V. Oh, they're so happy they found each other. Let's keep going. All right, let's fish again for some more alligators. Here we go. Oh, this one's super heavy. I don't know if I can pull it over. I have to use both hands. Oh, check that out. We got 2 alligators. How did that happen? Oh my goodness. We have a purple alligator with the letter J and W. And we found a red alligator with the letter C and P. Ah! Okay, we need to find all the rest of the alligators too. Come on, Chase, let's keep going. Oh, this one doesn't feel like an alligator. Oh, I don't know what this is. Let's try to pull it up. Ugh. Oh my goodness, look who we caught. We caught Marshall. Marshall, what are you doing? I'm just backpedaling through all the waters. Okay, well, you need to help us find all these alligators. Oh, I saw some. We just gotta go fishing over this wall. Well, that's what we've been doing, Marshall. Okay, let's try again. I hope we catch 2 again. Ooh. Ah! Come up! Come on! Oh, there we go. Oh my goodness, look at these alligators. We caught 2 again. We have a blue one with the letter S and F, and a purple one with the letter E and R. Oh my goodness, look at all of these guys. Let's keep going. I think we almost found them all. Oh. Ooh. Let's hurry, roll it up here. Oh, come on, look, I can see 2 of them. Ugh. They were really fighting that time. Whew. Look, this is the letter A. That's the beginning of the alphabet. There's also the letter N. All right, let's keep going. This one's green with the letter T and G. Oh my goodness, look how many alligators we've already caught. Okay, let's do this a few more times. I didn't know there were so many alligators out here. Ugh. Oh no! There we go. We got a red alligator and a blue one. We have the letters K, H, U, and X. Oh my goodness, look, I think we only have a few more alligators left. Here we go. Here they come. These ones are just jumping out over the water. Oh, they probably wanted to come be with all the other alligators. Here's the letter M and Z, and the letter L and Y. We're gonna get all of the letters of the alphabet. Okay, I think we only have one more. Okay, this is it. Oh, he bounced right out of there. This has the letter D and Q. Oh my goodness. Look at all of these alligators. We need to make sure we can find all the letters. So let's start with the letter A. What comes after A? B? There's A and B. Then next is C. Let's find what comes after C. We're looking for the letter D. Can you see the letter D? Here's the letter D. We're gonna put all of these together to get the whole alphabet. After D is E. Now we need to find the letter E. Here's the letter E. What comes after E? F? That's right. Let's put E and F together. Look at all the letters we have already. Next up, we have the letter G. Let's find what comes after G. Is it H? It is H. All right, now we have I. What comes after I? It's J. All right, let's keep going. We have the letter K, with the letter L. Look at all those letters we have already. Let's hurry and finish this up. We need to find the letter N. We have the letter M and N together right here. We can't hook them together though. Now let's find the letter O. We can hook it to the N right here. Now let's find P, and what comes after P is Q. Now we have the letter R and S. We're so close to the end. Now we need T, U, V, and W, X, Y, and Z. Oh my goodness, look. We put all the alligators together to get the whole alphabet. Can you sing the alphabet? Okay, let's start.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Now we know the ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Okay, thanks Chase and Marshall for helping us find all the alligators. You're welcome, everyone. I'm gonna go swimming again. Bye. All right, say bye to Chase and Marshall. Bye.